Most people get this wrong. They assume all CRMs are the same. But the surprising truth is that Redtail CRM is built specifically for financial professionals, and it offers features that go way beyond basic contact management. If you work in finance, wealth management, or insurance, this review is for you. Redtail CRM focuses on simplicity and compliance. From the start, the platform lets you organize client data, track interactions, and store documents securely. You won't believe what happens next. The system integrates with financial planning tools, email platforms, and even e-signature software, which makes managing client relationships much smoother. One of the standout features is workflow automation. You can set up reminders for follow-ups, automate emails, and track client tasks without manually updating spreadsheets. For financial advisors, this ensures nothing falls through the cracks, which is critical when handling sensitive financial data. Reporting is another strong point. Redtail offers detailed dashboards and activity tracking, giving you insights into client engagement and sales pipelines. You can see trends, identify opportunities, and measure performance all in one place. On the downside, Redtail can feel overwhelming at first if you are new to CRMs. The learning curve is moderate, but their support team is responsive, and they provide webinars and tutorials to help users get up to speed quickly. Pricing is subscription-based, and while it's higher than some general-purpose CRMs, the specialized features and compliance tools justify the cost for financial professionals. In conclusion, Redtail CRM is an excellent choice for anyone in finance who needs a secure, organized, and automated way to manage clients. If you're serious about growing your business while staying compliant, this platform is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest CRM reviews and tips to help you streamline your business processes effectively.